Let me show you on this video how to customize your header and footer for your PDF. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your header and footer for your PDFs. And it's going to be super easy, so let's get started. This is my main workspace, and we are going to select any of the forms that we want to edit the PDF for to edit that header and footer. In this case, I'm going to use this college enrollment form. So let's go ahead and edit this form, and this will take you to the form builder. Next thing we need to do is jump over to the top menu over here and click on PDF Editor. This is going to take us to the PDF Editor to customize that PDF, and this is where we're going to edit that header and footer. Once we hover over this PDF Editor, we'll find this option that says Add Header. Let's go ahead and click on this header right here, and we'll be able to customize it straight from here. So if I, for example, say test header and customize it a bit, maybe make it bold, italic, maybe a little bit bigger. Here we go. Maybe I want to add an image. That is possible right here. For example, if I want to add an image that I have previously uploaded, I can do so straight from here. Let's go ahead and add this little penguin. Let's go ahead and insert the image, and it's available right here. And again, I'll just say test. And here we go. So now we have the header. Why is this important? Because when we edit the header will be added to every single page of the PDFs. So it's always going to be on the header of every single page of the PDF right here. So if there's 5 pages, you'll have 5 headers with the same header right here. And for the footer, again, once we hover down here, we'll see the add footer option. Go ahead and select it. And again, we'll be able to customize it straight from here. Let's go ahead and add that image. Here we go. Let's find that little penguin, and there it is. Let's go ahead and select it. And I'll also say test footer. And here we go. Let's click outside, and we have that footer right there. Let's go ahead and click on add a new page so you can see this reflected. And you can see here, we have the same header and the same footer right here. So it's super easy to edit your header and footer in the PDF editor. So what are you waiting for? Start right now, sign up for Jotform, build your forms, edit your PDF in PDF editor, and add that header and footer right away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.